Mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Ayan, Alden, how does it feel that all your fans are out here supporting you today?
It's very grateful, siyempre. Very grateful talaga.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Alden!
This is my first visit actually sa Princess Learning. Usually po it's this story outside the store. So thank you all for coming. Thank you so much po. And we'll all have a good time today.
Yes, and Alden, I heard, oh my God, I heard you have a new baby. You have a new baby?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Oh my God! What? Naglakihan yung mga mata nila. Tumahimik sila. Kaya naman guys, syempre we're talking about the Vivo Y100!
Kaya naman, oh.
Kaya naman, bigla kayong kinakabahan eh, diba? So, Alden, I know your fans are so excited to hear your thoughts. So, let's get right into some questions. So, please take a seat.
Sure.
Guys, ready na ba kayong mas makilala pa si Alden? Yes, alam mo, ang dami sa kanila. Ang aga niyang nagising.
Yes, ang dati sa kanila, kilala na ako.
O di ba kahit saan ka magpunta, nandun sila. Wherever you are, they are there. O di ba? So Alden, my first question is, you've been with Vivo since 2022, right?
Yes, 2 years na. Parang,
Years na.
if I could still remember it correctly, I was at the launch of the Vivo V23 series. And also, just last year, there was a launch of the Vivo V27 series.
Alright. So every year you have it, right?
Yeah, every year we're being part of the launch and nakikita natin talaga yung mga innovations when it comes to phones and revolutionize talaga ng Vivo yung features ng existing phones, you know, for better customer consumption, yung parang mapaganda yung experience nila while using this smartphone.
Agree. And I think the Y100 will be good for everyone here kasi di ba yung mga busy yung lifestyle, tama ba?
Yes, actually kasi yung Y100, actually all the features of the V23 and the V27, isa kasi sa, of course po sa aesthetic camera capture niya, and at the same time yung pinaka talagang bumibili pa sa Vivo is the fast charging.
Yes,
So, parang imagine, like kanina, I was using the phone down to 13% na lang ako, and then parang I just plug it dun sa fast charging, then after 15 minutes, almost 200 na siya. So I think that's one of the features na talagang sumasabay sa lifestyle natin, especially now with our baby. Well, we can't live without our smartphones.
Agree.
Parang most of the time, that's our life. Right
Oo,
now,
parang
with that,
hindi tayo kompleto pag wala tayong phone.
andun ang work, andun ang communication. So with that, Vivo has been continuously innovating the features of the phone to, you know, adjust and to be our partner in our everyday lives.
Alden, I just want to circle back to my first question. I wanted to ask you, since you mentioned nga na you've been with Vivo since 2022, how is the experience so far having Vivo as part of your family now?
I'm very honored and grateful to the Vivo fam, of course, for sa pag-review po sa akin. Maraming salamat.
Ayan. Parang paano mo natin ang Vivo Philippines at si Alden?
Thank you po, maraming salamat po. And of course, to my supporters, na hindi nyo lang alam, pero I've been seeing a lot of my supporters really, you know, buying Vivo phones and posting it online and using it right now.
Yes.
So, di ba? Grabe sila. So,
True.
I mean, if not for them, you know, parang hindi rin naman magiging worth it for Vivo yung pagiging private passenger. So, I'd like to thank all of them.
Yes. Palakpakan naman natin yung mga supporters ni Alden. Thank you so much. Alden, you mentioned that, yun nga, nung ni-release yung Y100, I think it was last April 27. Talaga namang nagpuntahan lahat ng fans mo sa nearest Vivo stores to get their hands on the Y100. Aside from the battery that you mentioned earlier, di ba yung fast charging, what other features really caught your attention when it comes to the Vivo Y100?
First of all, actually, when you look at the smartphone, you always look at the pricing. Walang smartphone na mura as of today. And the D23 and the D27 series are at the range of parang mga 25, 27,000 pesos. But with all those features, but right now the Vivo Y100, with all of the features also that the V series has, ito parang half the price. It's just at 12,499 pesos. Imagine
Oh
that.
my God!
Imagine pati presyo in-adjust ni Vivo for us.
Oo, iba talaga si Vivo. They're really revolutionizing the smartphone game. Tama ba, guys? Si asan yung mga bumili ng Y100 dito? Pakitaas ang mga kamay and your
Itaas
phones!
nyo na yan.
Oo.
Ayan
Ang gaganda ng phones! O, diba? Ang
po.
bongga.
Grabe sila, grabe sila.
Grabe sila. Palakpakan naman natin yung ating loyal fans sa Vivo and ni Alden. Give yourselves a big round of applause, guys! Okay, and my last question kasi later on, I will be giving the mic to some lucky fans so they can ask you as well. O, diba? So my last question, Alden. You are known to be an all-rounder, diba? Parang grabe si Alden, no? Singer, host, actor, entrepreneur, gamer, at recently nagde-direct na siya ng shows. At parang recently nabasa ko, you were named as a blockbuster king. Sorry, box office king! O, diba? Iba din talaga. And I think these are some of the reasons why, you know, people consider you aspirational, inspirational, and they look up to you. So to those who are, you know, chasing their dreams like you are, busy chasing their dreams, can you give us like one advice? Like what do they need in order for them to be successful?
Number one, it's determination and the discipline. Sabi nga nila, di ba, parang motivation and discipline is very different from one another. When you're motivated, parang hit or miss depende sa mood mo kung you will go right after your dreams. But if you're disciplined, iba yun. Parang continuous flame yun inside you. But you keep on doing it all over again until you reach your goals. So, akala nga natin motivation and discipline parehong maganda pakinggan. Pero when you look at them together, mas okay pa rin ang disiplinado ka kaysa motivated. Because, yes, you have to be disciplined para continuous yung effort mo to reach for those dreams that you want to achieve in life, especially your goals. And, at the same time, syempre, be a good person, you know, with everyone that comes your way, be respectful, huwag kang mambastos, huwag kang mang-apa, and always pay it forward. And syempre, aside from that, syempre, kailangan mo rin ng partner.
Yes!
Ang partner sa...
Napaka-importante ng partner.
Napaka-importante ng partner. So that's why, yung Y100 niya, that's why pinamura siya sa inyo guys. Kaya nga nakapili na tayo sa mundo.
Yes.
So of course, para meron kayong partner na phone that can, you know, sustain your lifestyle and help you, make your life better as you reach for your dreams. So to everyone who bought and supported Vivo Y100 today, maraming salamat po. As in, down to my deepest and, big heart. Maraming salamat. Thank you
Yes,
so
give
much.
yourselves a big round of applause, guys! So you mentioned, Alden, it's really important to have a partner like the Vivo Y100. So sa ngayon, paano siya nakakatulong sa lifestyle mo? Diba, we mentioned you've been very busy. So paano na-elevate yung Vivo Y100 yung lifestyle mo?
Well, basically, ngayon, parang, of course, nandiyan lahat, syempre, yung work, syempre sa smartphone natin lahat, and I'm sure all of the people here shares the same sentiments. So, sobra yung, ngayon, ang pinaka, what matters to me when it comes to smartphones is battery life.
Sobrang importante.
Sobra yun. Sobra yung battery life and how fast it charges. Kasi di ba parang when you charge, minsan hindi mo pwedeng gamit yung phone. Or depende, yung iba naman talaga sa atin, yung mga power bank. But I think yun yung isa sa mga features ng Vivo Y100 that really caught my attention. It's number one, it's cheaper. It's cheaper, it's very affordable. But all the features that a lot of Vivo phones has already, nasa Y100 pa rin. So also yung speakers niya, with 300%, nandito yun This is yung volume features that help you tackle tasks smoothly and effortlessly.
Oh, wow!
Isa pa yun. So, syempre tayo, we're very, as a lot of developments and innovation is being delivered to us by, of course, smartphone manufacturers. Nagbabago na rin yung taste natin when it comes to experience. That's very important. Yung smooth interface, yung bilis yung response ng touch to the icon, mabilis ganyan. And the camera as well, because Vivo has one of the most brilliant cameras here in the market. So, swak na swak talaga to sa mga guys on the go and girls on the go like me na talagang araw-araw nag-hustle.
True, I agree. So a round of applause once again for Mr. Alden Richards for his wonderful insights. And now, ito na. It's time for me to choose some lucky fans, Alden, who get to ask you questions. I think Ito kasi malakas sila mag-cheer. Kailangan malakas kayo mag-cheer, guys, para nakakapagtanong kayo kay Alden. So, ma'am, ikaw ang pinakamalakas mag-cheer kanina. So, yes, ma'am, please stand up. So, may we get your name? Ben!
Bang floor!
Ayan, si Miss Ben. Miss Ben, since kailan pa po kayo fan ni Alden?
9 years.
9 years? Wala pa ka naman natin si Miss Ben. Wala pa kayong mga kaway dyan. Oh. So, Miss Ben, when you heard that magkakaroon ng meet and greet with Alden, if you buy the 100 phone, ano yung una mong ginawa? Ayan, isa talaga siya sa mga bumili doon, di ba? Congratulations, Miss Ben. So now you get to ask Alden your question.
Yes, Miss Bang. Well, I think what you really should utilize is yung capacity niya to really cope up with so many applications na nagagamit natin. So when we use more applications on the phone, hence more battery life consumption. So I think yun din siguro yung dapat natin i-consider to maximize the potential of the smartphone when it comes to charging. Natutunan ko lang dito na parang avoid charging it to power banks. And kung ano yung laman na charger yung phone, which is what's inside the box, yun talaga yung dapat gagamitin. And since Vivo Y100 has that feature of, almost fully charging after like 15 to 20 minutes of charging, swap na swap yun, you're back on the go again. So I think yun talaga, that's what really caught my attention, is the fast charging Vivo Y100. Saka affordable kasi.
Nice. Thank you, Alden. Thank you, Miss Ben. And I think we have one more question. Sino yung mga malalakas sumigaw? At hindi ka ako lalayo. Kasi nakita din kita kanina. Ikaw talaga yung bigay todo ba na sumisigaw. So may I get your name? Jillian.
Yes!
Jillian, capture and you can post about it later on social media by using our official hashtag Vivo100X Alden and hashtag Vivo Meet and Greet with Alden. To our friends, please don't forget to give your phones to our staff so they can take photos and videos of you while you get your merchant signed and of course while you get to meet Alden. Once again, we would like to invite everyone to please use our official hashtags, hashtag VivoY100XAlden and hashtag VivoLead and Green with Alden to all those who have taken photos and videos of the event. So dun sa taas ni Alden, kamusta po? Masaya po kayo sa sign posters? Yes! O diba, I'm sure ipapag-frame nyo yan, tama? Oh. Nasa harap doon ang bahay nila, ilalagay sa gate. Alam ko na yung mga galawan nyo, guys. Okay, palakpakan naman po ulit natin si Alden. Alden, napagod ka pa sa pagsusunod.
Hindi naman sanay ako dyan.
O, diba? Sanay daw siya. Okay, round 2. Ay, round 2. Kaya. Palakpakan ulit natin si Alden. Maraming salamat din sa inyo sa pagpila. So at this point, syempre, let's talk about another exciting release from Vivo. Ito guys, yung V30 Pro, which was unveiled in March. So this beauty, it was co-engineered with Zeiss. It's truly a game changer in the smartphone category. So featuring a remarkable triple 50MP main camera setup on the back and an industry-leading 50MP group selfie camera. So mamaya,
Papakita natin yan.
ipapakita natin yan, Alden. Let's put it to the test later. Kasi, alam mo yun, the Vivo V30 Pro raises the bar for capturing stunning photos. So what sets the Vivo 30 Pro selfie camera apart is its impressive 92-degree wide-angle lens. Wide-angle lens. So kahit yung mga nandun sa likod na kumakaway kayo. So allowing you to squeeze in even more smile. So mamaya kailangan nakangiti kayo kahit nandun kayo sa dulo ha. So later on, as sinabi ko nga, diba, ilalagay natin siya sa test. So, Alden, would you kindly do the honor,
Yes, of
please,
course.
to lead us in a group selfie or a groovy using the Vivo V30 Pro? So, let's capture this moment in all its glory. Guys, come on, squeeze in!
Yung mga nasa likod, kita po
Mga
kayo
nasa
ha.
likod, guys, come!
Ingiti nyo na yan. Ingiti nyo na yan. Let's go.
Ganda.
Okay guys, ready?
Ready?
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ayos.
Ayan!
Okay.
Oh, ang ganda. Kita-kita kahit yun na sa store sa likod na for a group photo opportunity. Of course, proudly showcasing your newly acquired Vivo Y100. Sige guys, ilabas nyo na yung mga phones na yan. Pagiging phones with Alden, syempre. Ilabas lahat ng Y100 phones for the photo opportunity. Yes, the group photo with the fans. So just, a brief background on the Y100. As Alden mentioned earlier, this powerhouse smartphone is tailor-made for individuals on the move, just like Alden himself. With its robust 5,000 mAh battery and lightning fast charging courtesy of the remarkable 80 watts